National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi there, I'm Naturopathic Dr. Jonathan Beatty, a health expert here at nationalnutrition.ca. Scarring is an effect that can happen to any type of tissue trauma, and essentially what's happening in scarring is improper tissue repair. What happens is too much tissue gets damaged, and as the body is trying to repair and lay down that tissue, it doesn't form properly, and this leads to an inelastic tissue, which we call scar tissue. Oftentimes it's associated with discoloration, and often scarring will actually look shiny. Now there's different types of scarring that can occur. There's your sort of typical normal scarring. Some people can have small scarring related to acne or severe acne vulgaris. And then there's a more severe type of scarring known as keloid scars. And in this case what happens is as the scar forms, it almost hyperforms and it starts to invade some of the surrounding normal tissue, and the scar grows outside the boundaries of the initial wound, and that's what we refer to as a keloid scar. So keloids, people of darker skin, specifically females, tend to be much more prone to them. For what reason, we're not 100% sure. But if you do suffer from them, there are a few things that you can do to help minimize scarring. So when you have an injury, the thing that you can expect, especially if it's severe, is that some scarring is likely to occur, especially if the wound or incision is what we call a rough one. So surgical incisions, because they're very clean, tend to have more minimal scarring, whereas any type of accidental or trauma incision, typically it's going to be a rougher edge. It's going to be harder for the body to heal, and that's going to increase the likelihood of more severe scarring. Now, things you can do to help, sort of mitigate or minimize the amount of scar tissue that forms: taking proteolytic enzymes as the tissue's healing. So things like bromelain and serratiopeptase can help reduce scar formation. They're very, very effective at that. In addition to that, one of the things with a scar is its lack of elasticity. The elasticity comes from collagen formation. So supplementing with collagen after any type of surgery or any type of trauma can help your body to more effectively heal that area and reduce scar formation. And then for people who don't, who are vegetarian or vegan, who won't consume collagen, one of the things they can do is increase their proline, lysine, and vitamin C, which are some of the substrates your body needs to manufacture its own collagen. And then there's a few other nutrients that if you're deficient in, they're going to impair normal tissue healing. So zinc and copper need to be adequate. These are both things that you can get your doctor to test your blood levels of your blood zinc and your blood copper, ensuring that your levels are adequate. And they also need to be in balance. So your zinc and copper need to be balanced. If you've got too little zinc and too much copper, or vice versa, your tissue is not going to heal appropriately. And then the last nutrient you need to really be concerned with is vitamin A. Vitamin A is heavily involved in skin healing. It's very, very important for how the immune system behaves, and it helps reduce scar formation. The only thing with vitamin A is it can be what we call a teratogen, so it can cause birth defects if women take too much of it while pregnant. So again, if you're pregnant, you always want to be talking to your healthcare practitioner about the safety of everything you take, and that includes vitamins and minerals, because deficiencies can be dangerous, but in certain cases excesses can be dangerous as well. So it's all about safe usage of these products, and really your best bet is to have an informed conversation with your healthcare practitioner to ensure that you're taking the right things and that they're going to be safe for you. So if you've had an injury and you've got scar formation, especially if you're prone to developing keloids, I hope the tips I dropped on you today are going to be very helpful to you. I hope that you're going to reach that optimal life you're looking for. Any questions or comments, you can feel free to post them below, and subscribe to our channel. It's on YouTube. This way you can check out more of these great videos, and always remember, knowledge is health.